Man, I feel like this go by so fast, it's crazy. I feel like I just picked up my camera last Friday and it's already like the next Friday. What's up traders, welcome back on a Friday afternoon. Now I'm heading to do some reflection time. I don't know if you guys can tell how much of a routine this is and everything, but it's cool, I like it. Let's get some work done and I'll catch you guys right after. There we go, that was some solid reflection done today. Pretty cool. Today I feel like I want to talk about the biggest or the best decision you can make in trading. Here's what I think. The single best decision you can make in trading starting today is what we call relying on data. Following the data, doing what the data tells you. What really matters in this whole trading game, and this is something I realize more and more that I get involved into it and that I talk with traders, is the idea that they all tweak their things with data. If they see something works better over time, they change. They're ready to adapt. If they would only act on what they think is right and what makes most sense to them, they would be kind of limited to where they can go and what they can do. Relying on data means that you follow the trend. You do some analysis and reviews, of course, because it's the only way to get data. But you implement that data as soon as you can. And doing what your ego tells you to do, like taking the right action, trading what you thought was the best way to trade, is never gonna work. I've had to change like a few things personally in my trading since I started, and even since I became profitable, those things that I change and I tweak because I see that they work better. And this is something you have to be willing to adapt. I think there's kind of different parts in trading. There's this first part where you kind of have to build something that you trade. There's a second part where you kind of have to trade and see the result. And there's this third part where you kind of have to adapt and to readjust and to do things differently. So traders who don't adapt and who don't rely on data and don't do what the data tells them to do, they're not going to be there the next year to trade. Quick plug. This is one of the concepts that was shared a lot by Michael Thomas, and we just finished the course. It's going to be available for the Academy. I'll link it down below or right here in the corner if you guys want to check it out. It comes with a full membership to the Academy, but this is really a solid training, and I think it's more advanced than what I've been producing myself, but it's available. So if you guys want to check it out, it's going to be there. I want you guys to take some time to collect some data. If you are in the first stage, as we talked about, of creating a strategy and having something solid, that's good. But once you have something done, you need to collect the data, you need to review. And reviewing goes with collecting the data. If you just collect data for fun and you don't review, you're doing only half the job and you won't get results. If you only review on like some weak data, things that don't make sense, like a review only your charts, it's not complete. You're not gonna get the full picture, right? So you want to have data, which means numbers, and you'll see that many good traders are like fans of math and kind of statistics and numbers. And I've said this because I've been studying a little bit in that topic a few years ago, so I kind of know a little bit, and I'm kind of curious about numbers and everything. If you are kind of this math crazy person, totally fine. I think it's a good skill to have in trading. If not, it's fine. Just find ways to reanalyze and to look back at how you perform. Whether it's going to be like a paper journal, like we've seen before, or whether it's going to be a spreadsheet, like I tend to do not that much. But pick what you prefer and collect the data, look at the data. There's a saying, plan, trade, review, and act. Those are things that you have to do on a constant basis, like every single day if you day trade, or every single week if you swing trade. But you plan your trades, you trade correctly based on the plan, you review, and then you act based on what you've seen works best. And that is pretty much, I don't want to say all there is to trading because there's like a lot, but it's a big part of everything that you're going to see success with. And that works with all the parts we talked about in other videos, like the strategy, the money management, the psychology, the mindset. It works with everything. So note this down, plan, do, check, act, and you can pretty much solve any problem with this. And it's something that I've been applying myself many times. So I hope you guys like this quick video today. I'm kind of missing a little bit the type of vlog I was doing when traveling, but it's completely different being here. So I hope you guys still enjoy. Let me know in the comment below if you have any suggestion on how I can make those videos better. I would love to improve and love to tweak and adjust and make this better. Alright, this is the check or the review part in the process, and I'm trying to see how you guys prefer those videos. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to check out this training with Michael Thomas. I'll link it down below for you guys. Ciao.